Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. My name is Harsh Kumar and this is the part 29 of the video series JavaScript for the beginners. And in this video we talk about what is this keyword in JavaScript. So what is this keyword? This keyword in simple language is used to refer its own object in general. I will explain you in detail with an example. So let's create an object. Const car equal to curly braces की वैल्यू पे है ब्रांड कोलन फोर्ड. I already talked about how to create an object. What is object? In the previous videos, I will give you the link in the description or in the I button. If the concept is not clear, you can go and check it out. Type SUV engine V8, and now we will create a function or a method in this object. Drive function log I am driving $sign curly brackets brand. What I'm trying to do here, I want to call this variable in this console log, which is very easy. We are doing in the previous videos several times. So let's see it will work or not. Car dot drive. Now we check the console. Here we got an uncaught reference error. Brand is not defined at object.drive method. So that is not true. Brand is already defined, but why it is not catching the value of the brand in the object? To call its property value, we use this keyword like this. With this keyword, we are telling JavaScript the brand key is defined within this car object. So take it this as a pronoun for this car object. In English, we have a pronoun where you can say Harsh as he, which is an English concept of grammar. Well, programming language is also a language for computers. So we can consider this as a pronoun for this car keyword. Car object actually. So we can say car.brand. Let's see we can do this or not. Car.brand. Yes, we can do this. Car.brand is valid way, but with this keyword is a good practice. You can see I am driving Ford by using this keyword. So this is act as a pronoun for this object. So that's all for now. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion, and hit the notification bell for the latest update on this channel. And remember, keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. I will see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye, and see you.